Welcome to this lesson on SNS subscriptions and receiving messages. In this video, we'll explore how to understand subscriber endpoints in Amazon's simple notification service. SNS is a powerful messaging service that allows you to send notifications to multiple subscribers, and understanding how these subscriptions work is crucial for building scalable applications on AWS. A subscription in SNS is essentially an endpoint that receives messages published to an SNS topic. Think of it as a delivery address for your notifications. The message flow works like this. First, a message is published to an SNS topic. Then, the subscription acts as a bridge that connects the topic to the actual endpoint where the message will be delivered. This architecture allows you to decouple your message publishers from message consumers, making your applications more flexible and scalable. SNS supports multiple types of subscriber endpoints, each designed for different use cases. Email endpoints are perfect for sending notifications to human recipients who need to be alerted about events. SMS endpoints deliver text messages directly to mobile phones, ideal for urgent alerts. Lambda endpoints enable serverless processing by automatically triggering Lambda functions when messages arrive. And SQS endpoints queue messages for reliable, asynchronous processing. Each endpoint type serves a specific purpose in your architecture, and you can use multiple endpoint types for the same topic. Email endpoints send notifications directly to email addresses, making them ideal for human notifications and alerts. When you subscribe an email address to an SNS topic, the subscriber must confirm their subscription by clicking a confirmation link sent to their inbox. This confirmation step ensures that only legitimate subscribers receive messages. SNS supports two protocol types for email. The standard email protocol sends a simple text message, while email-JSON sends the full SNS message in JSON format, which includes additional metadata. Email endpoints are commonly used for system alerts, operational notifications, and monitoring reports. SMS endpoints deliver messages directly to mobile phone numbers as text messages. When configuring SMS subscriptions, you need to include the country code with the phone number to support international delivery. SMS messages are subject to character limits imposed by mobile carriers, typically 160 characters for standard messages. Keep in mind that SMS delivery may incur carrier fees, and costs vary by region and destination country. SMS endpoints are particularly effective for urgent alerts, two-factor authentication codes, and time-sensitive notifications where immediate delivery to mobile devices is critical. Lambda endpoints enable serverless event-driven processing by automatically invoking Lambda functions when messages are published to an SNS topic. When a message arrives, SNS passes it to the Lambda function as a JSON event object, which your function code can then process. One convenient feature is that Lambda subscriptions within the same AWS account do not require manual confirmation, making setup quick and seamless. Lambda endpoints are perfect for building event-driven architectures where you need to process notifications automatically, such as image processing workflows, data transformations, or triggering downstream business logic. SQS endpoints deliver messages to simple queue service queues, enabling message buffering and decoupling between publishers and consumers. This combination of SNS and SQS provides reliable message persistence, meaning messages are stored in the queue until they're successfully processed. SQS supports both standard queues, which offer high throughput and at least once delivery, and FIFO queues, which guarantee exactly once processing and message ordering. Using SQS as a subscriber is particularly valuable when you need to handle traffic spikes, implement retry logic, or process messages asynchronously without losing data if your consumers are temporarily unavailable. When working with SNS subscriptions, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. First, IAM policies control who can create, manage, and receive messages from subscriptions, so proper permission configuration is essential for security. Each endpoint type has built-in delivery retry mechanisms that automatically attempt redelivery if initial delivery fails, ensuring message reliability. Filter policies allow you to implement selective message delivery, so subscribers only receive messages that match specific criteria, reducing unnecessary processing. Finally, consider both cost and latency implications for each endpoint type. Email and SMS incur delivery fees, Lambda has invocation costs, and SQS has request charges. Understanding these factors helps you design cost-effective and performant messaging architectures.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.